I'm gonna be doing something crazy. I have a little rock here. Don't taste good. Guess what?
They're candy.
They're little chocolate rocks. See? You can kind of see the chocolate on the inside. Little chocolate rocks. Whoopsie. I dropped one. Hi. And we're eating little rocks. Kind of wanted to see if you guys would get pranked. Comment down below if you got pranked with this when I put one in my mouth.
I thought they were real too when I got them for my birthday.
Yeah, you thought they were.
We haven't been making a lot of videos because it's been my birthday. So.
But if you watch the bead video, this is the slime inside the container. You could just see a bunch of beads in there.
Get up.
Right now my brother's playing with his putty.
Yes. We're going to do some things with this to make it look beautiful.
We might put beads in there too. Yeah, we don't have any more beads though. We used all the beads in this slime.
Well, I might go to the store and buy something. So.
I want to try putting glitter in this slime too. And more beads so it actually crunches.
But we don't have glitter.
That's why we're going to buy glitter, cray cray. Well, see ya.